Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to discuss my opinion whether Canada is going to resume direct flights from India as on 21st August. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. So guys, first of all, whatever I'm going to discuss is based on my opinion, that is an outcome of my analysis. So I have no authority to take such decisions, and whatever I say it could be 100% true or could be proved 100% wrong. So I have no way to say something that is gonna be 100% truthful, because this is just my opinion. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, first of all, the most important factor nowadays is like cases. So cases are getting settled in Canada, no doubt. After 2 days of slight increase, yesterday again it went down in Ontario, because in Canada, like, vaccination numbers are getting higher, no doubt. If I talk about Ontario, around 80% of the eligible people have got at least one shot, and more than 60% have eligible people have got both, and this number is increasing every day. But the worrisome trend here is like the new the first dosages. Lot of people, like if I talk about 80% of the eligible people, that means still more than 2 million people are remaining, those who are eligible for vaccination but they haven't got even the first shot. And if you see the number daily, around 15,000, 17,000, like in these range only, the first dose is being delivered, rest are second dosages. So that means not many number of people are coming forward. So this trend needs to improve. This is what I believe, because one of the health specialists said that if we are able to manage 90% of the eligible population as vaccinated, then we'll be in a much better situation to tackle the Delta situation, because Delta is causing so many infections around the world. It's not just about Canada. We know highly infectious it is. Yes, we have reached 80, and it's going to take some more effort to reach 90, but the biggest part is like to convince the people and all. Anyway, I won't go much into that. So what I'm gonna say is like cases matter. If the cases keep settled by 21st August, then there's a high chance. Another factor is like we know that how much contribution India does for immigration in Canada in all the aspects. Let it be PR, students, and all. And when September intake is gonna start in the month of September, lot of students would be arriving in the month of August. So considering that, I think institutions would mount some pressure on the government to reconsider the decision, but again, this is just my assumption, I cannot say it for sure. Then travelers, and there are so many permanent residents and all, and a lot of people, those who have to come for various reasons, so that also requires direct connectivity to be present, because that helps many. So this is also again a factor. Coming to other points, like what I believe, if the cases stay in control, especially after when they reopen the border to USA by 9th of August, the cases counts then matter a lot. It's gonna be for vaccinated people, so I don't assume a spike. But yes, when businesses boom, a lot of people would go outside, so that includes those who are not vaccinated as well. So when the cases appear after reopening, the number is going to be a very important factor in determining the flights from India, because in India the wave is under control, no doubt. It has gone like down, and but still, like, Delta variant is widely being circulated there, so that is a factor. But we'll see how it matters. So I believe like there is high chance that they are going to reopen by 21st August. I mean, the ban is going to be revoked, but at this moment I'm not sure, and I cannot say anything for like granted. Whatever I say, it's just based on my opinion. Thanks for watching.